So, oh, here I should probably put interest first. Interset, wow, interest, there we go. So I'm going to show you a formula. I guess I'll put this formula in orange. Okay, so the formula is I equals, I guess I could put that in the same colors, right? I equals, we'll do the principal times the rate, interest rate. It might be too confusing to put with this one. I'm just going to do it like this. PRT. Capital P is the principal. That's how much you took out initially. This R is your interest rate. I don't know why it's capital like that. You know what? I didn't even tell you what we were calculating yet today. This big I will be, this is how we will calculate the simple interest. Simple interest. That is accrued. That means how much, like in this case, this is how we calculate the $200. Like how much you ended up adding by completely from 0 to 4, right? So the P, once again, is the principal amount. The R will be our interest rate. And the T will be our, in terms of what we're doing, this will be the number of years. So let's go ahead and calculate the interest. So the principal amount that we had in this problem, Haley borrowed $500. So we'll put the $500 here. The interest rate right here. So our rate was 10%, right? And remember, we moved it twice, and we get 0.10. So we multiply by 0.1 or 0.10. I put 10 so you can see it better, but it's 0.1, right? And then we multiply by that by the number of years. So that's blue. Whoa, I forgot I'm not doing that. So yearly, 4 years. Now, if you would like, you can multiply these one at a time. But remember, we're just going to multiply here and here. Well, I'll show you. Then on the next one, we'll just do it all at once. So 500 times 0.10 is $50. There's the 50 right here, right? 50. And we're going to add 50 4 times. So my total interest, is $200. I guess I should put that back in green. No, like that. Oops. I keep doing, I can do this. All right. So my principal amount, once again, was $500. I'm going to match this with the other one. Now, the interest accrued, it tells us right here, is the $200. So that means the total amount owed ends up being $700, which is the same over here. So we should get the same answers. This is just, this will show you how it works more so than this formula. I mean, I could show you in this formula. I did, because we had 500. We got 10% of it, which was 50, like we did here. We added it 4 times here. We added it 4 times here. We got 200. But in this one, we had to add the 200 separately, and then to get the 700. In this one, we could just add 200 immediately, and or we had to add the 200 in parts over here with the 50s. And over here, we just added the 200 and we got $700. So let's do one more. Let's see. So let's write so I equals PRT. Remember that RP, I guess I can do this one more color coded, is our principal amount. Oh, I should do this first. P is my principal amount, which in this case was $2,500. And we will multiply that by the interest rate. The interest rate looks like it's 6%. So 6%. Move it twice. So we get 0.06. So 0.06. And then we'll multiply that by our time, which we made in this case was blue. It was 24 months, which was 2 years. I'm going to do it like that. That was blue. So 2 years. And then I calculated the percent, 6% of 2,500, which I can look over here was $150. I'll do it like that. And then it was over the course of 2 years. Oh, so let me go back to green. My total interest then, that is accrued, that is earned, or that they earned at least, was $300. So my principal amount, or the principal amount that Zane took out, or that before the interest started accruing, really, the amount of money, was $2,500. The amount of interest accrued was $300. So the total amount that he ended up owing was this plus this is $2,800. Which should match up over here. Yeah, and it does right there. Cool. So it's not too bad. That's it. Thank you.